Welcome to Accents in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use in Google Sheets the small function. So the small function is very similar to the min function. If you're not familiar with the min function will get the min of the smallest value of a selected range. So what is the difference then with the small function? The small function does exactly the same, plus it gets one cool additional feature in it, and that is you can add up a selection. So for example, you want not only the smallest number, but maybe you want the second smallest or the third smallest. So you can select or be very selective what you want to show. So let's start with that. So we type in small, then open here, open parentheses, and then you select your range here. That's a range. This is the range of data we have with all the ages. And what we want now is, we want to do a comma here, and then we want to say, all right, we want to get the smallest value here out of the list right now. Enter. You can see number 1 is the smallest, and if I put this number 3 here, you can see that number 2 becomes the smallest. So what happened if I say I want the second smallest? You can see now number 3 is the second smallest. And if I make this 75, you can see that now number 10 is the second smallest. And so you can go really farther. You can make a smallest of the top 3 smallest list or something like that. So this is very useful because you can pinpoint on some exact criteria of your list. And this is how you can use the small function in Google Sheets.